What happens when you eat sweet potatoes every day? Sweet potatoes are a nutritious root vegetable that is popular all over the world. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to human health. One of the most notable health benefits of sweet potatoes is their high levels of beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that helps to protect the body against free radical damage, which can lead to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Additionally, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for healthy eyesight, immune function, and skin health. Sweet potatoes are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can help to regulate digestion and promote feelings of fullness. Eating foods that are high in fiber can also help to reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. In addition to fiber, sweet potatoes contain other important nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Vitamin C is essential for immune function and collagen production, while potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and support muscle function. Manganese is important for bone health and metabolism. Finally, sweet potatoes are also a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy to the body. Unlike simple sugars, which can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, complex carbohydrates are absorbed more slowly, providing a steady stream of energy to the body. Overall, sweet potatoes are an excellent addition to a healthy, balanced diet. They are rich in important nutrients that can support overall health and well-being, and their high fiber content makes them a great choice for promoting digestive health and weight management. The function of sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes have many functions and benefits for the human body, including providing essential nutrients. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese, which are important for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Supporting digestion, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which can help to regulate digestion, promote regular bowel movements, and reduce the risk of constipation. Boosting immunity, sweet potatoes are high in vitamin A, which is important for maintaining a healthy immune system and protecting the body against infections. Supporting healthy skin, the beta-carotene in sweet potatoes is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and promoting wound healing. Regulating blood sugar levels, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Providing sustained energy, sweet potatoes are a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy to the body and help to prevent fatigue. Supporting heart health, the fiber and potassium in sweet potatoes can help to regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart disease. Overall, sweet potatoes are a highly nutritious and versatile food that can provide a range of health benefits and support overall well-being. Providing essential nutrients. Yes, sweet potatoes are a great source of essential nutrients. Some of the nutrients found in sweet potatoes include beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin, promoting good vision, and supporting immune function. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps to protect the body against free radicals, supports immune function, and is essential for collagen synthesis. Potassium, an electrolyte mineral that is important for regulating blood pressure, maintaining proper fluid balance in the body, and supporting muscle and nerve function. Manganese, a mineral that is important for bone health, metabolism, and the regulation of blood sugar levels. Fiber, sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to promote digestive health, regulate blood sugar levels, and support weight management. Vitamin B6, a water-soluble vitamin that plays a key role in the metabolism of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, and is important for the production of neurotransmitters and red blood cells. Iron, an essential mineral that is important for the formation of red blood cells and the transportation of oxygen throughout the body. Overall, sweet potatoes are a highly nutritious food that can provide a range of essential nutrients that are important for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Supporting digestion. Sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for supporting digestion. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by the body, so it passes through the digestive system relatively intact, adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. The fiber in sweet potatoes can help to prevent constipation by promoting the formation of soft, bulky stool that is easier to pass. Additionally, fiber can help to feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can promote a healthy microbiome and support overall digestive health. Sweet potatoes also contain other compounds that may have a beneficial effect on digestion. For example, they contain enzymes that can help to break down starches and other complex carbohydrates, making them easier for the body to digest. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of potassium, which is an electrolyte mineral that can help to regulate fluid balance in the body and support healthy digestion. Overall, sweet potatoes can be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet for supporting digestive health and preventing constipation. Boosting immunity. Sweet potatoes can help to boost immunity due to their high content of beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a critical role in supporting the immune system, as it helps to maintain the integrity of the mucosal barriers in the body, such as those in the respiratory and digestive tracts, which are the first line of defense against invading pathogens. Vitamin A is also important for the production and function of white blood cells, which are key players in the immune response. Studies have shown that vitamin A deficiency can impair the immune system and increase the risk of infections. In addition to beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are also a good source of vitamin C, another nutrient that is important for immune function. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect the body against free radical damage and supports the function of white blood cells. Finally, sweet potatoes contain other beneficial compounds such as anthocyanins, which are plant pigments that have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may also help to support the immune system by reducing inflammation in the body and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Overall, sweet potatoes can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet for supporting immune function and reducing the risk of infections. Supporting healthy skin. Sweet potatoes can support healthy skin due to their high content of beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy skin, as it helps to support the production of collagen, a protein that gives skin its elasticity, firmness, and suppleness. Collagen production naturally decreases with age, leading to wrinkles and fine lines, but consuming foods rich in vitamin A, such as sweet potatoes, can help to slow down this process and keep skin looking youthful. In addition to vitamin A, sweet potatoes also contain vitamin C, which is another nutrient that is important for healthy skin. Vitamin C is involved in collagen synthesis and helps to protect the skin against free radical damage caused by exposure to UV radiation and other environmental toxins. Sweet potatoes also contain other beneficial compounds such as anthocyanins and polyphenols, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help to protect the skin against damage and inflammation and support healthy aging. Finally, sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to promote healthy digestion and remove toxins from the body that may contribute to skin problems. Overall, sweet potatoes can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet for supporting healthy, youthful-looking skin. Regulating blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes may be beneficial for regulating blood sugar levels due to their high content of dietary fiber and antioxidants. Dietary fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is not broken down by the body and does not raise blood sugar levels. Instead, it slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, which can help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. High levels of inflammation and oxidative stress have been linked to insulin resistance, which can impair the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. In addition to these benefits, sweet potatoes have a relatively low glycemic index, which means that they do not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels when consumed. This makes them a good option for people who are trying to manage their blood sugar levels or prevent the development of type 2 diabetes. It is important to note that sweet potatoes should still be consumed in moderation, as they do contain carbohydrates and can raise blood sugar levels if consumed in large amounts. However, when consumed as part of a balanced diet, sweet potatoes can be a beneficial food for regulating blood sugar levels. Providing sustained energy. Sweet potatoes can provide sustained energy due to their complex carbohydrate content and low glycemic index. Complex carbohydrates are broken down more slowly by the body compared to simple carbohydrates, providing a steady source of energy over a longer period of time. Sweet potatoes are a good source of complex carbohydrates, which can help to provide sustained energy without causing a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Additionally, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which means that they are digested and absorbed more slowly by the body, leading to a slower and more sustained release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can help to prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, providing a more stable and sustained source of energy. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber, which can help to slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream and promote satiety, helping to prevent hunger and cravings for high-calorie, high-sugar foods. Overall, sweet potatoes can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet for providing sustained energy and preventing blood sugar fluctuations that can lead to fatigue and energy crashes. Supporting heart health. Sweet potatoes can support heart health due to their nutrient content and various beneficial compounds. Firstly, sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood. High levels of LDL cholesterol can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, leading to an increased risk of heart disease. Sweet potatoes are also rich in potassium, a mineral that is important for regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps to counteract the effects of sodium in the body, which can cause blood pressure to rise. Maintaining a healthy blood pressure is essential for reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. In addition to these nutrients, sweet potatoes contain various beneficial compounds, such as anthocyanins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for heart disease, so consuming foods that are high in anti-inflammatory compounds may help to reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems. Finally, sweet potatoes are a good source of antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can help to protect the heart against damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of heart disease. Overall, sweet potatoes can be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet due to their nutrient content and various beneficial compounds.